Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hi, fair warning. Today's audio is going to be all over the place because I am at a very confusing place in my life right now. And I generally don't know what's up, what is coming. And this is just a way for me to gain more clarity by expressing my thoughts in some shape or form. I just want it to be as free flowing as possible. So, yeah, won't be a calm and composed one. I don't think I do make that kind of audios, but this time it is like I'm genuinely feeling lost again. And I know I have mentioned it before. Like, mera pehla lost wala feeling was when I had given my NEET. And the second time it's happening is after giving the MBA entrance. And yeah, it just leaves me all the more confused and lost every single time I have to go through these entrance exams. So, yeah, here's just me trying to collect my thoughts and finding what I can मतलब मैं जितना अच्छा निकाल सकती हूँ, जितनी ग्रोथ निकाल सकती हूँ इस पूरे फेज़ से, वो मैं देखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। And it's difficult. It's definitely like I have mentioned it 100 times that I did not want to do an MBA, but then I saw how miserable I felt when I was in isolation for a year. The last year has been like the longest year of my life. It feels like I've spent 100 years in that 1 year because I was just with myself and my thoughts. And of course, I had super amazing highs, but I would be lying if I said that it outweighed the lows. Like the number of lows that I have had during the past year is crazy. I've not had that many breakdowns till now. And even though it has helped me understand a lot of things about myself, I just feel like I was not prepared for that whole phase. And I really need company. I really need an environment, a structure that keeps me going. Like, of course, I need free time in my calendar, but I also want like 3 to 4 hours का structure जहाँ पे I am not the one in charge. Because अगर तुम मुझे अपने पूरे 24 घंटों का के दिन का ऐसे चार्ज बना दोगे, then I don't know how things will go because I very mood के हिसाब से चलने वाला इंसान. And yeah, sometimes I feel having the right environment and accountability can make a lot of difference in the sense that एक स्ट्रक्चर है और एक ऐसे ग्राउंडिंग चीज है तुम्हारी लाइफ में एंड यू आर नॉट द वन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट, वरना सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी if you're thrown in that space, you end up giving up at some point because you're not used to living that way. So that is what happened with me. I think it would have been like I would have been better at this whole thing, like handling living this way, if I had 2, 3 good habits like consistently. But I was only starting out, and even though I had meditation and writing as my anchors, it wasn't something I was doing in a set environment or with a set of people who feel the same way and are disciplined about it as well. So, yeah, anyway, it was very, I'm not able to find the word, and you can already see that in my speech. But yeah, quite a roller coaster ride, I'll say. So, anyway, I still can't believe that I am going to be doing an MBA. By the time you listen to this audio, I would have been done with my degree as well. So there's that. I am literally recording these episodes 2.5 years in advance क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं एक साथ इतनी बड़बड़ करने लग जाऊंगी. So yeah, I only post once a week and I want it to be that way. वरना पता चला मैंने एक दिन 5 पोस्ट कर दिए, उसके बाद मैं 10 दिन कुछ पोस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ। सो दैट इज़ हाउ थिंग्स विल गो इफ आई स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग in real time, and I don't want that to happen. In future, I don't know what my posting schedule will look like, but abhi ke liye this is what it is. So anyway, I was thinking about all that I believe in and how badly I want to live up to my complete potential, but I know that I won't be able to do it alone. और उसका काफ़ी अच्छा एग्जाम्पल था ये पिछला साल, जहाँ पे मैंने सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली एंड आई कुडंट हैंडल इट एज वेल एज आई थॉट आई कुड. सो everything just felt like my world was ending. Every single day I was just like, oh, the same person again and again, and every day it looks the same. Except for times when I was using my creativity or talking to someone or anything on those lines, but more or less it was a test. It was just the most testing wala year, I'll put it in that way. So yeah, anyway, I was thinking about all of this, and again that fear came up कि मुझे तो कभी MBA करना नहीं था, but अभी सिचुएशन इतनी खराब हो चुकी है that I am open to even doing that, because without any kind of formal structure in my life, I just lose it. I feel like there's no, मतलब मैं नहीं झेल पा रही हूँ चीज़ें अपने आप से. And of course, there are many other options that I could have chosen, and I have looked into all of it. It hasn't been a single day decision. But मुझे सारी चीज़ें अलाउ होने नहीं वाली है. My parents are not going to entertain everything that I wish for in life. And I'm not earning enough to be able to, क्या बोलते हैं, source it myself. So yeah, anyway, all things said and done, अभी ये चीज़ हो रही है ना चाहते हुए भी, and I'm trying to like understand कि मैं कितना उसमें से extract कर सकती हूँ अपने लिए अच्छी चीज़ें. But even through all of that, I was just thinking कि how this was the thing I never wanted, and अब मुझे ये करना पड़ रहा है. And the next fear is, what if I end up living the life that is below my potential and I give into the societal conditioning, something that I've worked so hard to like push back and not fall into that trap. And I keep fighting it every single day, but I'm in the middle. I'm not that strong to do everything myself and rebel, but at the same time, I don't see myself leaning into the conventional way of living. I want to live my unique expression as much as possible. And I know I'll figure a way out, I'll do something and हो जाएगी चीज़ें sort and भगवान है हमारे साथ. But अभी के लिए I'm not able to connect the dots. And मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि मैं अपने limitations की वजह से ऐसी लाइफ जीऊँ जो मेरे काबिल नहीं है. हाँ. And my whole anger and rage about everything that the systems that are built around us, the education system, the job system, and the exploitation, and all of that, like I wouldn't want to be a part of it, but somehow I am a part of it. And मैं खुद को मना रही हूँ कि हो जाएगी चीज़ें ठीक, तुझे जो लाइफ जीनी है जिसके लिए तू बनी है वो तू जिएगी. बट अभी के लिए the thought of living conventionally really scares me, and I cannot see myself in that position over and over again. It will really break my heart if अगर मेरी अंदर की आवाज़ दब गई इस तरह से. And that is not the case right now. I find my way out. मैं मेरी हैबिट्स जाती है, वापस बनती है, कैसे भी मैं खींची चली आती हूँ अपने स्पिरिचुअल और मेडिटेशंस और राइटिंग और ये सारी चीज़ों पे, और जो थॉट्स मुझे एंटरटेन करने हैं, उस तरफ मैं आ जाती हूँ। बट सिंस आई एम स्टिल अ बिगिनर, आई नीड टू कीप रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ कि ये एक दिन का काम नहीं है, इसको सालों लगने वाले हैं, एंड every single conditioning will take a lot of courage and a lot of patience along the way. So that is one thing that I wanted to share. The second was, the reason I fear living conventionally is because I know in my heart that you can control your mind and that you can live a life that is free from limitations. तो मुझे खुद को लिमिट नहीं करना ये सोच के कि स्ट्रगल एंड हार्ड वर्क इज़ द ओनली वे, नॉट लिसनिंग टू योर इनर वॉइस इज़ द ओनली वे टू लिव, running behind money is the only way to live. And I have to keep fighting that thought every single day because that is how I have been brought up. पर मुझे ये भी पता है कि ये दिस इज़ नॉट द ट्रूथ, ये कोई असलियत नहीं है और ये बस मेरे दिमाग की उपज है, एंड व्हाटएवर आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग इन द प्रेजेंट इज़ a reflection of my inner world, and I can create the world that I want if I have control over my mind and senses. तो मुझे बार बार वो अपने दिमाग को ऐसे समझाना पड़ता है, ड्रिल करना पड़ता है कि ये सब माया है, ये सब तेरे दिमाग की उपज है, तुझे लगता है कि ये करने से ही पैसे बनेंगे, ये करने से ही सिक्योरिटी मिलेगी, ये करने से ही सक्सेस मिलेगी, पर वैसा नहीं है। और वो वाली जो जर्नी होती है भाई खुद को समझाने की, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट इन दिस होल सेल्फ डिस्कवरी परसूट. सो या, एनीवे, one of the biggest challenges that I'm facing right now, and I know कि जितना मैं लीन करूँगी अपनी अच्छी साइड के साथ, जो थॉट्स मुझे एम्पावर करते हैं, जो लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं, जो एक्शंस मुझे अलाइव फील करवाते हैं, जितना मैं उसके तरफ बढ़ूँगी उतना लाइफ मेरे फेवर में चलने लगेगी. बट अभी के लिए आई नो दैट आई एम अ मिक्स ऑफ माई फियर्स एंड माई ड्रीम्स. I just hope that I don't lose faith in my dream of living up to my divine potential and keep stepping into that zone no matter how impossible it feels, no matter how out of the world it looks to other people, no matter how dejected I feel, because I know that we are not limited to this world, that miracles can happen, that we are both physical and spiritual beings, and that is the truth that I will want to hold on to throughout my life. So, yeah, that's all for today. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.